Hey, Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, how are you doing today? I do not know what that intro was. I've been feeling awkward in my intros lately. So, anyways, it's like 1:30-ish right now. I woke up pretty late today. I don't feel that great either. And the ADHD is all over the place. But I made some croissants. I'm gonna show you this way. Croissant! Actually, I don't know if they're croissants. It's the puff pastry, and I just like cut them into triangles and did the thing. I don't know. The thing is a thing, I guess. But, I don't know. The thing is a thing, I guess. They're definitely not professional. They're very flaky. But you can kind of see in between the holes. I don't know. Ooh, is this what a croissant's supposed to look like? Oh, that's actually not bad. It's extremely flaky. I don't know. Maybe I'll look up what goes into a croissant later. That just tastes like buttery dough. Flaky pie crust without the pie. Anyways, very, very buttery though. Okay, so today is a rest day. It needs to be a rest day. I've been so hyper focused on getting school things done and stuff, and then like I've done some cleaning, but not really. Like my floor is not bad, right? I mean, we got dog toys. All of this stuff was underneath my desk area, so I need to find a place for that, hopefully today. But I don't know, today I want to just chill, not do anything, maybe go to the gym for a little bit of stress relief, because I relapsed onto nicotine yesterday. I smoked way too many Black and Milds, and today I'm definitely feeling the stress from it. I want to go to the store, I want to buy a Black and Mild, but I'm not going to, hopefully, because if I were to do that, it would be dumb. Anyways, also, the place that I had the interview for didn't call me yet, even though they said that they would call me the day after, so it's been 3 days, today being the 3rd or something, when they were supposed to call. I think that's what I'm gonna do when I exit out of here. Actually, it's getting kind of late. I should probably do that now. Okay. I will talk to y'all in a little bit. I swear I just heard someone outside that sounded exactly like the bully from The Simpsons. You know, the one that goes, ha ha. That was really strange. Okay, anyways, does anyone remember when I got these? I finally procured a ranch dressing, and I'm gonna make a cornbread thing, I guess. The recipe is something that I saw on TikTok from, I'm having the worst time with names right now. I have a headache. I'm excited about this. Right, the name. What is his name? Dylan Hollis. Okay. Anyways, hopefully this is the right size of cornbread mix, but it's chunky. Is this supposed to be chunky? Okay, whatever. It's a 3-2-1 recipe. So you have 3 eggs, 2 Jiffy cornmeal packets, and 1 entire bottle of ranch. I have no idea what temperature to cook this on, so I think I need to go look that up real quick.
What type of Nebraska food is this? 375 for 25 minutes. It reads.
Okay. 375 for 25 minutes. Well, I guess I grease this. I mean, it's a 10 by 14. It should work, right? That's a lot of cornbread. It'll be fine. See you guys when this is ready. Smells like chicken with a ranch. I opted out for the fanciness of the ranch sprinkles on top, like the seasoning, because I don't have that. So I just have cornbread. Smells good. It tastes like cornbread, maybe a little bit saltier and fluffier. It's been a while. It's been a long while since I've had Jif cornbread, but yeah. High protein cornbread right there, I guess. I was gonna go to the gym, but then I remembered that I woke up feeling kind of gross. So, I mean, it could have been that I had a lot of salt yesterday, but I don't know. I don't want to risk other people getting sick from me. So I think I'm just gonna do my nails and edit. That's gonna be the rest of my night. I hope that you have a lovely day wherever you're at. I've gotta go. Bye.